Today, let's take a look inside the Tone It Up nutrition plan and lifestyle kit. So this is actually a physical thing that gets mailed to you. It's pretty heavy. I'm going to say it's like 3 pounds. So let's see what's inside and what you get. And more importantly, if you do fitness planners, maybe this is something you might want to think about sending out on your own. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturday. Now, if you're interested in selling your own fitness planner, don't forget I just came out with a brand new one this last Thursday, so I will leave a link to that below, and it has everything done for you. When I say everything, I really mean everything. So if you're watching this video at the time that it goes live, it is on sale this weekend, but this weekend only, and then it goes back to the regular price. So if you're thinking about it, I would definitely grab it because it does everything for you. It does all of your Facebook graphics, your Instagram, your Pinterest, tells you how to set yourself up on Etsy. It even has the Etsy banner already done for you. So it is like a no-brainer. But today, let's look at the Tone It Up box because they're probably, I'm going to say, sort of like little mini celebrities or maybe major celebrities. They've been on the Bravo channel and they have fitness, nutrition, online courses. They do in-person events. And just overall, I'm pretty sure everybody just loves both of them, Katrina and Karina. So this is their fitness lifestyle kit, which is actually pretty affordable. It was $99 for this whole thing. You're going to get inside of here. We're going to look inside of here, but you're going to get this nutrition plan book. And this is a physical hardbound book. It's beautiful. It's 8.5, I think I said 8.5 by 11. It is color. It has tons of, like a nutrition plan would, recipes in there, but I always like seeing pictures. I don't know why. I just need to see pictures. So you get that, and then underneath the box, you get a ton of other things. So we'll look at all of this in depth under the camera more closely, but this was $99, and then I paid for a lot of taxes. For some reason, there were like 3 different California special taxes and then a California county tax, and I don't know why. I think they're in LA and I'm in San Diego, which is a totally different county, but maybe because you're in county or in California, you just keep paying multiple county taxes. I don't really know what's going on. However, it did ship free and it came in a little over a week, and I don't know if that's because I'm in California, but it did arrive I would say pretty quickly. So it's not overnight. It's not Amazon Prime, but you also don't have to wait forever. So let's go ahead and look inside. All right, it comes in a big white box. It has a packaging list on the front. And just so you know, this big white box has nothing identifying on it except it says regular kit, and it must be their own internal inventory system. But what's really nice, and I'm going to try to do this without bumping the camera, is inside you get another box. You get the actual Tone It Up box. So let me dump it upside down. All right, this has a really cute paint splatter pattern on all sides, all around, except for the very right and left. It just has a plain pink. And this flap in the top, and you can see this, this is actually a little magnet flap over here. So let me flip it open. So when you flip this open, and I'm going to do it off camera because it's going to knock the camera over because this is such a huge box. Here on the lid, you get this nice little welcome from Karina and Katrina. And then inside the actual box, everything fits just perfectly. How nice is that? So you get this book here on top. We're going to just pop everything out. And inside of here, you're getting a protein bar. It's Tone It Up. So I guess they make food. I didn't think I even knew that. Yep, little note from them. And then here's the nutrition facts if you wanted to see those. And then you get this cute little booty band. And everything's a nice, cute teal color, so it all matches. You get these meal prep, I think they're poppable, like they expand. And then you get a stainless steel water bottle. So has their nice little logo, again, with the teal color. And that box, everything fit perfectly for that box. You could actually not put anything else in there. But these are cute. So if you've never seen these, it has their little logo. This little thing pops out. So you have a little air vent here when you heat up your food. And then these, so you get 2 of them. This one expands just like that to fit more stuff in, or you can push it down to save room to store it. And same thing with this one. It pops open and it expands. So these are pretty small. Let me give you the exact measurements. This is, it's my hair. This is 5 by 3.5 inches. And then this one over here is 8 by 5 inches. So this one's much bigger. But I think the thing that everybody wants is this nutrition plan guide. Now this is a hardback, it's self-published, it looks really nice, super beautiful inside, tons of colors, a nice little table of contents, 63 pages, so not even that long, but it looks very impressive inside a hardbound book. Beautiful magazine kind of style pages. That's why the pictures look so nice. Otherwise, if you use regular pages, if you try to self-publish this on Amazon, these would look horrid just because that paper is not conducive to photos, which I always tell people, always make sure you're using magazine quality style photos. If you can see, there's a little bit of a shine because it's a magazine photo. So we have some before and after pictures of Katrina, I'm not actually sure who's who, and then motivation. So just like a regular book, tons of stuff. There's room for you to write your goals, but of course it's a hardbound book, so you're like, it's so pretty, I don't want to write in it. Or maybe I just think that. You have meal plans in here, so you have 5 different meal guides, sample days, vegetarian, vegan, which is funny because they actually had 3 different versions of this book. They had a regular, a vegetarian, and a vegan version. So I guess they're just showing you what else you could do if you just ordered maybe one, or maybe they just started with this one and then made the other ones later. Under metabolism, energy, protein, alkalinity, they're very into plant-based items, which is odd because this is, I believe there's some meat in here. Could be wrong. So it just kind of reads just like a normal kind of magazine. Oops, I skipped a page. And your nutrition notes. And then we get into, you can take some measurements for each week, 100-mile challenge, your reflections. And now we just have basically the rest is a huge recipe book. And I'm gonna lie, is there anything? Mushroom stroganoff, maybe it is all. Nope, turkey. Yeah, there's meat in this one. So they go over portion sizes. They have a grocery list for you. And then they just go right. So at the top, it looks like these are all breakfast items. Then we go into beverages. And I love that they have pictures for everything. Then we go into soups and salads and sandwiches, and then salad toppers and entrees. Great food photography, whoever did this. And desserts, of course, and I think that's kind of it. Dressings and dips, list for your favorite recipes and references, and that's it. So very, very well done. Everything looks professional and beautiful. So what did you think? I loved it. I think this is a genius idea for anyone who wants to sell a fitness planner, or really any planner, just to put some stuff in a box. We know subscription boxes are super popular, and obviously a lot of these things are very useful and they're completely related to the product that you just purchased. This book is absolutely beautiful. I love that it's full color, and I love that it has a ton of great recipes and stuff about food in general inside of it. So all around A+, and totally worth it for the money, especially because you get a lot of e-downloads like right away. And also, I think that this is an amazing idea for just anybody trying to add value or increase the customer satisfaction from people who like getting things in the mail, which obviously we know tons of people love getting subscription boxes. And maybe a subscription box, like doing something on a monthly basis, isn't really your thing, but having like a one-time super spectacular box is something that I think is totally doable for everyone. So let me know in the comments what you think. And remember, if you would like to design your own fitness planner, I have already designed 2 of them for you. So I will leave links to those below. And this is the last weekend if you're watching this live. Well, I shouldn't say live, but the weekend the video came out for the Saturday unboxing. It is still on sale. And I hope everyone is having a fabulous weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye.